Hi everyone, this is Ellen from Money Haven. In today's video, we will be discussing 8 ways of saving money. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Let's get started. Starting to save money can occasionally be the most difficult part. This step-by-step plan can assist you in creating a straightforward and practical way that will enable you to save for all of your immediate and long-term objectives. 1. Keep track of all your costs. The first step in saving money is to calculate your current spending. Keep a record of every penny you spend, including regular monthly payments, as well as purchases for groceries, coffee and other home items. Using pen and paper, a straightforward spreadsheet, a free online expenditure tracker, or an app, record your expenses as it is most convenient for you. Once you have your data, group the figures into categories like mortgage, gas and food, then total each sum. Make sure you've included everything by consulting your bank and credit card statements. 2. Plan to save money in your budget. You can start making a budget, now that you are aware of how much money you have spent each month, in order to organize your spending and prevent overspending. Your budget should illustrate your expenses compared to your income. Make sure to account for costs like car maintenance, that happen frequently, but not every month. Include a savings category in your spending plan and try to save money up to a level that feels comfortable to you. Eventually, aim to increase your savings by up to 15 to 20% of your income. 3. Identify ways to reduce spending. It may be time to reduce spending if you are unable to save as much as you'd want. Find non-essentials you can cut back on, including entertainment and eating out. Find ways to save costs on your fixed monthly bills as well, such as your auto insurance and mobile phone subscription. Set financial objectives. 4. Setting goals is among the finest strategies to save cash. Consider what you may wish to save for in the future, both long-term, more than 3 years, and short-term, 1 to 3 years, 4 or more years. Calculate how much money you'll need and how long it might take you to save it, and then do so. Common short-term objectives include vacations, down payments on cars and emergency funds, 3 to 9 months of living expenditures. Typical long-term objectives: down payment for a house or remodeling work, retirement funds, or your child's schooling. 5. Decide what are your top financial priorities. Your goals are likely to have the biggest influence on how you manage your savings, after your spending and income. For instance, you may start saving money for a new automobile right away, if you know you'll soon need to replace your old one. But keep in mind, long-term objectives as well. It's critical that retirement planning not be neglected in favor of pressing immediate concerns. You can have a clear sense of how to allocate your savings if you know how to prioritize your saving objectives. 6. Choose the appropriate equipment. Many savings and investment accounts are appropriate for both short and long-term objectives, and you're not required to select just one. Choose the combination that will help you save money for your goals in the most effective way. By carefully examining all the possibilities and taking into account balance minimums, fees, interest rates, risk, and when you'll need the money. 7. Set up automatic saving. Automated transfers between your checking and savings accounts are available almost everywhere. The timing, amount, and location of money transfers are all up to you. You may even split your direct deposit so that a portion of each paycheck gets into your savings account. 8. Watch your savings increase. Every month, review your spending plan and assess your results. This will assist you in swiftly identifying and resolving issues, in addition to helping you stay to your personal savings goal. You could even be motivated to find more ways to save and achieve your goals more quickly after learning how to do so. Thanks for watching. If you would like to see more videos like this, Please comment.